Mixcat News with your host,
Mixcat. I got one of my boxes in. This is a power saver box. Hopefully you guys can see a good shot of that. This came from China. This is one of the manufacturers that wanted me to actually test one of their items. You plug this into the wall. It's 110, and it's supposed to stabilize the voltage that's coming out of the wall. Also bring down the consumption from your appliances. Like I have a hair dryer here and I have a light that I'm going to test. But anything that's motor driven, it's supposed to make it more efficient. Hopefully you guys can see I have a watt meter here, and I'll zoom into that a little bit later. I'm going to try plugging in just a standard light, and then I'm also going to do this hair dryer. Let me pop in the hair dryer real quick so you can see. So you can see it's 1055, so over 1,000 watts on a hair dryer on high with the heat on. It shows on the amp side just about 9. It's 8.9, 8.8. I'm going to go ahead and take the power save box, plug it in. Don't see any difference. 1052, 1053, let me pull it out. 1052, 1053. Absolutely no savings at all with one of these guys. So let me go ahead and plug in this light and see. I got a bulb in there? Alright, we're going to grab a normal 60 watt bulb. I'm going to plug it into this light. Alright, and it's registering 5152. On the amp side, it's 0.4, so about a half amp. Alright, we got 51, 52. I'm going to take the power saver, plug it in, and it went up. 61, 62, 0.5, half amp. That's something. Doesn't look like it's saving me a whole bunch of anything. Alright, I got a compact fluorescent. Let me zoom this out a little bit. There we are. Compact fluorescent. This guy is rated for 23 watts. That's interesting. It's actually showing a current draw. Or I guess it could be positive off of this. Let me pull them out. Yeah, this thing definitely is showing like it's drawing current while it's plugged in, which this is only supposed to have like a little capacitor in there. As things put a load on the line, it's supposed to aid with that, but clearly we see it's drawing something. Got two little LEDs in the front, but not a whole lot of anything in there. So far it's not saving me anything, but it's costing me. Alright, compact fluorescent. We're showing 51 watt, 0.4 amp. Again, 51 watt. I'm going to pull this out. Drops down to 23. So again, this is actually costing us money. Alright. If you guys were curious, I pulled it apart. I wanted to see what's inside. It's got a capacitor. Two little LEDs, got some resistors, not much of anything. Look at how that's soldered to the plug there. There's the chart. Yeah, this isn't something I'm going to leave plugged in the house. Doesn't look very safe to run, honestly. I pulled the screw out of the back because I wanted to show you guys what it looked like inside, and not very impressive. Okay, well this is the first green device that I'm testing out that's supposed to save me electric, and so far that's not the case. If anyone else wants to send me down some equipment to test. I got a grid tie inverter on the way, and supposedly another green box. Hopefully it stacks up a little bit better than this. But yeah, if you see these on the internet, you're probably going to want to stay away from them. Alright, thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed that.
Since 1994, safe, fast and more. A reliable name, mixcat.com.